Hello everyone, in this YouTube tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set your audio settings and test your sound before entering a Zoom meeting. It's very important that you do that so that everyone can hear you and you can check that your sound is clear. Okay, so first of all, let's open up the Zoom app. Then go to audio, settings and audio, test your speaker. If you can hear it, that means it works fine. I'm using Sennheiser headphones, which is a USB mic, and I'm now testing my mic. 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. As you can see, the level goes up, which is good. It means it works. 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. As you can see, the level goes up, which is good. It means it works. I'm gonna check my video now. Everything's fine. I've selected my webcam. I've also got the built-in mic as well, the built-in webcam as well, but I'm using the external webcam. Okay, as we can see, we've got the link right here. So I'm going to click on the link to the meeting. Click on Open Zoom Meetings, which opens the app. Mute and start video. Hello. Hi Ruben, hi Lydia. Hi Mariana.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. How are you?
Pretty good, thanks. Yourself?
That's great. Lovely to know that you're fine.
Yes.
Okay. So let's see, what time is it?
It's 10
it's the
p.m.
time.
10 p.m. in Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand.
All right. Okay, so there we go. Right. So I will, please, let's mute our microphone so we are not making noise. Please, all of you, except Ruben. Right?
Okay.
He'll be in charge of the presentation this part. So let's mute our microphones, please.
Okay, I'll mute
Everyone,
that
please. Thank you.
So what we can do now is we can nominate one person to speak at a time so that we can only hear one voice with no background sound.